$1 saved today and $1 saved 10 years from now, same dollar, completely different outcome. Here is the math that will change how you think about money forever. $1 invested today at the stock market's historical average return of 10% per year becomes $2.59 in 10 years. That same $1 invested 10 years from now only has 20 years left to grow instead of 30 years. It becomes $1.61. Same dollar. But the one you invest today is worth 60% more at retirement than the one you invest in 10 years. Now scale that up. $1,000 invested today at 30 years old becomes $17,400 by 65. The same $1,000 invested at 40 becomes $6,700. Same money, same investment, 10 years earlier, 2.5 times more wealth. This is why starting today is the single most important financial decision you can make. Not next month, not when you pay off your debt. Today, even $1, even $5. The clock is running. My free guide shows you how to start investing even while paying off debt. Link in bio. Start today.